This special limited edition spot gloss slipcover, designed by Adam Maida, is limited to 6,000 units and is only available on our website and at select indie retailers. Absolutely no major retailers will be stocking them. Welcome Vinegar Syndrome Labs, VSL, to the VS sublabel family. As with each of our sublabels, we are hoping to expand and defy expectations with the diversity of films we restore and release. As the name implies, VSL will serve as a kind of testing area for releasing genres and eras of film that one might not immediately expect to come from VS. The ultimate objective of VSL will be to see if these types of films will find an audience, and if so, pursue and release more of them, and even if not, still serve as a means of restoring more of the weird, rare, and unusual movies you might not expect from Vinegar Syndrome. The year is 1991. Max and Albert are two pioneers about to embark on the scientific experiment of a lifetime, volunteering to be the first ever cryogenically frozen humans. If all goes well, they'll wake up in 3 years to fame and fortune. Luckily for Max and Albert, the experiment is a success, until they find out that the year is now 2044. A global war has taken place. The M-bomb has wiped out all male species on Earth, and reproduction is handled via test tubes in a lab. The Congress of the World Women's League is in complete control, and they're the only 2 men alive. What seems like a dream scenario soon turns into a nightmare when they realize males have been demonized and the League may be keeping a sinister secret. They'll have to convince the League that they're ready to serve in the old ways of reproduction or lose their manhood in the process of naturalization. SexMission is a side-splitting satire from Polish director Juliusz Mikulski that straddles the genre lines of sci-fi and sex romp in equal measure. Critical and skewering of both chauvinist fears about the extremes of feminism and the Polish government's fallible attempt to pull the wool over its citizens' eyes, it features a cast of Polish all-stars from Jerzy Stuhr and Olgierd Łukasiewicz to Bogusława Paweleks and Dorota Stalinska. Vinegar Syndrome Labs is proud to present the North American Blu-ray debut of SexMission, directed by Juliusz Mikulski, starring Jerzy Stuhr, Olgierd Łukasiewicz, Bogusława Paweleks, Dorota Stalinska. 1984, 122 min, 1.851, Polish mono with English subtitles. Additional info, region-free Blu-ray newly restored by Vinegar Syndrome from an existing studio master. Commentary track with author and film historian Jeremy Ritchie. Mission X Mission Sex Mission, 15 min, an interview with actor Olgierd Łukasiewicz. Dark Side of the Moon, science fiction films in the Polish People's Republic, 12 min, an interview with film historian Tomasz Kolankiewicz. Mission Accomplished, Women Worlds and Male Power, 17 min. A video essay by author and film historian Andrew Nett. Reversible sleeve artwork, newly translated English subtitles.